Hello kids, welcome to Bright Kids channel. This is part 2 of question paper of class 2 IMO 2021. Section 1 and 2 are in part 1. Link is given in the description. Section 3 Everyday Mathematics. Vijay is 142 centimeter tall. Karuna is 40 centimeter shorter than Vijay. What is the total height of both of them? So here you will be subtracting 14 from 142 to get Karuna's height, which will be 128, and when we add 142 plus 128 it will become 270. So 270 is the correct answer. Kavya bought the bag shown here. She received rupees 190 back from the shopkeeper. How much money did she give to the shopkeeper? So here the money she would have given to the shopkeeper would be 810 plus 190, which becomes 1000. So 1000 is the correct option. On a particular day in Mussoorie, the temperature in morning was 15 degrees Celsius and the temperature in evening was 7 degrees Celsius. Find the sum of both temperatures. Answer: 15 plus 7 equals to 22. Anamika prepared 18 liters of milkshake. She gave 5 liters of milkshake to her neighbors and distributed 4 liters among her family members. How much quantity of milkshake will be left with her? So here she gave 5 to the neighbors and 4 to the family members. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 18 minus 9 is 9 liters. There are 250 pages in a storybook. Minnie read 95 pages on first day, 100 pages on second day. She read rest of the pages on third day. How many pages did she read on the third day? So here 100 plus 95, 195. You subtract 195 from 250. So we get 55. Answer C. Ruchi planted some plants in her garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340 and has 6 at the tens place. Which of the following cannot be planted by her? Here answer is 269 because this is the only number which is less than 340. At a carnival, there were 150 boys. How many children were there if the number of girls were 20 more than the number of boys? So here 150 boys were there and 170 girls were there. So 150 plus 170 is 320. Kyra bought a handbag and a hat. How many total amount did she pay? So we'll add both the numbers. We will get 868. Karthik left his home by cab in the evening for party at the time shown on the clock. The cab took 2 hours 30 minutes to reach the party destination. At what time will he reach his destination? So we will add 2 hours 30 minutes, so it will become 9:25. Karthik has 68 eggs. Some of the eggs broke. 35 eggs were left with him. How many eggs broke? So here we will subtract 35 from 68 and we will get 33. Section 4 Achievers section. You can use pause button if you are falling short of time. Study the given figure carefully and select the incorrect option. number of curved lines equal to 0, number of vertical lines equal to 4, number of horizontal lines is equal to 6, number of slanting lines is equal to 6. So here we can see the number of curved lines are 0, correct. Number of vertical lines are 1, 2, 3. So this is incorrect. Number of horizontal lines are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is correct. Number of slanting lines are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also correct. So B is incorrect option. Which of the following option is correct regarding the number shown on abacus? The number shown on abacus is 532. The sum of place value of all the digits is 10. The digit at 100 place is 2 more than the digit at 1's place. Then the number name for the given number is 524. So we'll check one by one. The number on the abacus is 532. This is wrong because it is 523. The sum of place values of all the digit is 10. This is wrong. The sum of digit at 100 place is 2 more than digit at 1's place. So at 100 place it's 5 and here it is 2. So this is correct. The number name is 524. This is wrong. It is 523. So option C is correct. Find the value of subtraction in these two abacus. Use pause button if you fell short of time. So here we see this is 636 and this is 270. This is 357. So when we subtract 357 from 636, it will become 279 and this abacus shows 279. If a quote plus purse equals to 380, two quotes are equal to 500, purse and watch equals to 220, find the value of two watches and a quote. So here we can see both quotes are equal to 500. So value of one quote is 250. So 250 plus dash equals to 380. So the value of watch is 130. So dash plus 130 equals to 220. This gives us the value of watch which is 90. So it is 90 plus 90 plus 250. So it is equal to 90 plus 90 is 180 plus 250. It is equal to 430. So 430 is the answer. If pineapple and watermelon equals to 6 kg, 2 watermelon and 1 melon is equal to 10 kg, 2 melons are equal to 4 kg, find the weight of pineapple. So here we can see 2 melons are equal to 4 kg. So it will, 1 melon will become equal to 2 kg. So if we put 2 kg here, then 2 watermelon will be equal to 8 kg. So 1 watermelon will be 4 kg. So dash plus 4 kg equals to 6 kg. So the weight of the watermelon will be, weight of the pineapple will be 2 kg. 2 kg is the correct option. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel Bright Kids. Thank you.